Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my YouTube channel. I'm super happy you clicked on this specific video because it's going to be quick and simple. You guys need to realize that most traders in the trenches are losing thousands of dollars every single month from trading meme coins, but me on the other hand, us devs are making hundreds of thousands of dollars creating them instead. That's why in this video I am showing you the complete strategy that we use every single day to launch meme coins, how to find narratives, how to launch, and then how to create the pool, and then how to cash out clean. We are going to be doing a live example live on how to create coins and then how to cash out. Everything will be done transparently without sending you a course or an affiliate code. So if you are tired of losing money from trading and you want to become profitable, well, this video is made for you specifically, so let's go. And by the way, guys, I am as transparent as it gets. I am the only guy on YouTube making deving guides without selling you a course. So yes, I do know what I'm talking about, and I am just here to show you how it's done. That's it. That's all. Let's go. Now, the majority of people in the trenches try to make money from trading. It's what most people try to do, but the truth is that most of these traders just end up losing money. I used to be one of them. I used to buy meme coins back in the day, but I found no success because every single time I bought the coin, well, I just got completely wrecked. I got dumped on and I lost money. So that's why you guys need to stop trading and start doing the complete opposite, which is building the coins instead. By building the coins, you are going to be on the winning side because all you're doing is launching these coins, waiting for buyers, and just selling your supply and making thousands of dollars on each launch from the supply and from the creator fees. It's absolutely insane, and after this video I am guaranteed that your perspective on the trenches will change. Bro, deving is way better. A bunch of people are sleeping on it, and that's why in this video I will show you how to create coins with my strategy, how to find narratives, how to launch it, and then how to cash out. I will be attempting to launching a coin in this video live to show you how it's done from my perspective. And just to be clear, I am not at all a financial advisor. I do not condone any financial advice given in this video. It's all for educational purposes only. Yes, do not get me wrong, I make money from deving, a lot of it, but it's all for educational purposes only. Now here's exactly where I make my meme coins to maximize the amount of profits on every single launch, because most of you guys, when you launch coins, you guys launch them on the wrong decks. A lot of you guys launch them on Pump.Fun, but Pump.Fun is a mistake. It's oversaturated, and you know, a bunch of coins are being launched here. Most of them get no buyers, so stop launching here. Instead, launch using coinlaunch.io. By launching on this launchpad, your coins are going to go to Radium, reaching way more people than Pump.Fun. Like, look at these recent migration coins on Radium. They're doing decently well, and for that reason alone, I make my coins on Radium. I've seen a ton of success. You guys will see. Now, here's exactly how to dev a meme coin on coinlaunch.io. You have multiple options. You can create your own coin from scratch indeed. Now, if you have a narrative that you found online, you can make that meme coin here. Just invent a name, symbol, and image. It's all you need, right? Or you can use their free X tracker, and you can actually turn tweets into coins. This is good if you have patience, or if Trump or Elon Musk tweets, okay? This can be really profitable. Or you can vamp trending meme coins. Now, the copy trending coin strategy is extremely profitable. I've made like all my money from this method. Basically, all these coins right here are all coins that went viral on Pump.Fun or are going viral right now. They all have a bunch of buyers, right? A bunch of volume, and we are going to be copying one coin here back to Radium and make money from that copy by using that narrative. You guys will see right now live. So let's dev a meme coin live and see how much you can make sure your phantom wallet is obviously connected, right? And let's copy a coin. Go for a random narrative. They're all good. Just go for one. It does not matter what narrative it is. I'm gonna go for the scam altman. Click on copy to Radium. Your phantom will pop up. Ignore that warning, right? This warning is normal. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be actually devved, or it will be minted on Solana. Just wait. And boom, now let's create the liquidity pool. This is where we supply our meme coin and where your coin can, get the chance to go to Iridium. That's the whole point. Now for the coins, right here, for the supply, click on 90%, right? Do that for all your launches. For the dev buy, right, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. This is how much supply you are buying in for yourself. You are not going to lose this SOL. At the end of the launch, when you cash out, it will come back. So some people like get mad or are confused about this. Just put 0.3 SOL, 1 SOL, anywhere in between that is good. Click on create pool, your phantom will show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin is actually live now within seconds. Just wait, boom, click on refresh once, and boom, now the coin is live. The Scatman ticker symbol coin is live. And yeah, let's go see if people are buying in. You have your profits here, by the way. Let's go see if people are buying in. Go on your trading platform to see the chart, and boom, it's already pumping, guys. This is exactly what I mean about all the attention on Iridium. It's insane, guys. Now come back to launchtoken to see how much we're up. Click on refresh, and we're up $245 within the first 10 seconds of the launch. And that's exactly why I create coins. The Iridium DEX with launchtoken is insane. I might let the coin pump for a bit. When I come back, I will show you how much we made and how to actually cash out. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, okay, it's kind of like a roller coaster, but yeah, let's cash out. Our coin is doing decently well. And yeah, bro, this is like a normal launch for me and you. Basically, this is not viral. It's kind of what you could expect on a launch. But yeah, come back to launch.io, click on refresh, and we're up $2.8 thousand, guys. We're up $2.8 thousand in profits from this one launch. Let's cash out. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Your phantom will show up. Ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then we should be fully out of the meme coin. Bang! We just cash out. Open your phantom wallet, and boom, the money is there. 36 Solana, $2.8 thousand. I am not capping, okay? I do this shit legitimately every single day. Coinlaunch.io will be linked down below, bro. Stay consistent and just launch. And if you want to win 10 SOL like this lucky winner right here, just like, subscribe, and comment, and join my free Telegram group down below, bro. And you will have the chance to win it. Good luck.